Hey guys, so we decided to go to the beach today. Happy Saturday, by the way. So yeah, it's like a really beautiful day today. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's kind of humid, I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, we're just kind of like getting some stuff together to go and hang out in Galveston today, G-Town. I think it will be fun to get out of the house. So we are like packing stuff to like cook there. Just something simple like hot dogs and chips, just us three. So I'm packing my vintage, I have this vintage Victoria's Secret bag that I love. They use when I used to work there. I worked there when I used to work at Victoria's Secret when I was like 18-19 years old, you guys, and they would always have these like special collection like bags, and these were like really good quality tote bags, you guys. And this was like a beach bag, such good quality, and I literally have had it for like 13 years already, and I always love it whenever we go to the beach. So I just packed a beach towel, my little like beach wrap thing, a towel to actually dry ourselves, and I'm about to put like a book in there, my sunnies, sunblock, you know, the whole nine. So that's actually what. And then I'm gonna start packing Malachi's clothes. So I'm packing this. What else did I say I needed? Oh my god, I already forgot. Oh, a book. So currently reading The Archer by Paulo Coelho. Kinda gonna feel like that's not what I want to read. I think I'm gonna take my Atomic Habits book with me. This one, it's like an on and off. It's like an on and off read, you guys. Got to the beach. So cute. So we're gonna bought our grill so we can make hot dogs and burgers. It's actually a little colder than I anticipated. Malachi, come here, Papa. He has dirt in his eye, I think, or sand. It's for our hot dog. We'll turn off the music real quick. We can't have it. Alright guys, so we forgot our can opener, so Philip has to open it like this. Go.
Works.
They got it, Malachi. The beach? Huh? Do you like the beach?
Damn, I did pretty good.
It opened all the way around?
Yeah, I'm getting there.
Come here. Go here. different beach day. Oh.
Wow!
Wow, what is that? Sand?
Sand.
Sand. We're gonna make burgers, but the meat is too frozen, so we're only gonna make hot dogs today, which is cool because I'm already so hungry. So let's go ahead and turn this on.
I brought the spoons. Turn it on?
Our frozen meat.
How many we need? Like,
I eat 2. Yeah, I think that should be fine. You need 2. Malachi eats 1. If he eats 1.
so one is. So, dang.
I wanted to take off my little jacket so I can actually wear my bathing suit, but it does not fit, you guys. The cups are way too small and it just keeps sliding down. It's so uncomfortable. Looking good. And you know we got the hot Cheetos on deck. Yum. Look at Malachi. Being a little worm. Sand, what is it called? Sand angel? You guys. What the heck? It got freaking cold at the beach. Started getting really windy, and Ty's last clothes that I packed them 3 outfits. Well, I'm like, okay, that's it, we gotta go. And yeah, driving back. Look how pretty this is. Dang, it looks scary because it's like foggy. You can't see nothing over there. So you guys, the other day I shared with you guys us going to the beach, and it was such a fun day, and we really just spent the day there and had lunch, and we drove back home, took a shower, and we knocked out, you guys. It was such a fun weekend. And then Sunday we literally were just couch potatoes all day and napped. I feel like we had a very good family weekend together, and I was so excited just for the upcoming week and my goals. And I got back into planning and writing in my calendar, you guys, because I just feel like it sets the tone for the week and it sets the tone for your goals. And I noticed for the 2 weeks that I had told you in my previous vlog, where I feel like I had fallen off my goals. I had fallen off like putting in that discipline to get my work done. Honestly, like I was lacking in my YouTube department. I was lacking in content creation. Like I just didn't have that discipline or motivation. but I was looking that I also wasn't writing anything down in my agenda, like literally nothing. And I noticed that when I fall off like that, you guys, I fall off everything else. I actually take that time to like write out my day for that day, or for like that month, things that I want to get done, that need to get done. Like, I'm way more productive when I actually take the time to plan out my day. So I started up again, you guys, this week, and here we are on Tuesday, and I got my work done yesterday. I edited today, uploaded, like it was content day, and I was on it, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like setting the tone and planning my day has really helped me do that. And just like, it just mentally gives you like check mark, like getting stuff done, you know? I just got a grocery order in from Instacart. I ordered from Sprouts, and I wanted to share with you guys what I got, because it is a few stuff that I've never tried before. What I'm most excited about, honestly, and the main reason why I decided to order from Sprouts was for this sodas. And the reason why I got into these is, if you guys know Luster Lux on YouTube, Katie, she always would rave about these sodas, Zevia ones. Also got some frozen pineapple because I just like them for our smoothies and stuff like that. So I always have that. Also got some soy sauce because we were out. And then I got this coconut milk. This is the original, and this one is sweetened. I like having one of these of coconut and then another one of almond milk for my smoothies throughout the week, because I like to change the milks that I'm gonna be drinking. Plant-based coconut yogurt. I have been really into coconut yogurts lately. I just think that they're a really good like snack when I want something sweet, but I'm like, I'm not trying to eat junk all the time, you know what I'm saying? So one of these is super good, and I like to have it with fresh fruit. I've never tried almond butter before, and I saw that they had this one with honey, which who does not love honey? And I've always wanted to try one of these, and I was like, this will be perfect to have with some apples. Picked up 2 protein bars that I've been wanting to try. This Luna chocolate coconut. It's chocolate dipped coconut Luna protein bar, and this has 8 grams of protein. And then also, I've always wanted to try a Quest protein bar. So I got the birthday cake because you can never go wrong with birthday cake, in my opinion. I also got some red potatoes because for dinner. But you guys, what I'm so annoyed with was I asked for some strawberries, and what is this? Like, it looks like half of the container is missing. And this was almost $4. Like, where are the strawberries? Like, seriously. And I got some blueberries and some raspberries and cilantro because I was out, and I also want this for dinner. So, and 3 things I got, you guys, is this vegan sausage. This is smoked apple and sage plant-based sausages crafted with Yukon Gold potatoes, apples, and rubbed sage. So this is like a breakfast sausage. I got, you guys, is this Beyond Beef plant-based ground beef, and it says it's 20 grams of plant-based protein. I'm excited to try this as well. And then the last thing I got was these cassava flour 7 tortillas. I really like these. I like these better than the almond ones. The almond flour, for some reason, I feel like these don't get super hard. But I know these, you keep them in the freezer. So I'm going to keep mine in the freezer until I'm going to be eating them. So let me put this in the freezer before they get like melted. But that is all I ordered from Sprouts. So stay tuned for the video that I'm going to be filming, my celebrity inspired Eat Like a Celebrity for the Day inspired video that I'm going to be filming this week. So stay tuned for that video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did enjoy the vlog of us going to the beach and also a little grocery haul, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.